The M3Cb hand chain hoist is the trusted choice of industry worldwide for its exceptional quality, durability, and safety. This reputation of reliability is earned time and time again in the most demanding applications. Now, KITO is proud to introduce a new high-speed option for the M3Cb hoist, which promises to save time and reduce operator fatigue during large capacity lifts. Large capacity hoists are notoriously slow to operate due to their high gear ratios and multiple reeds of chain. To address this problem, KITO's new high-speed CB hand chain hoist features an innovative mechanism that senses the hoist load and changes the gears automatically. When loaded, a high-speed CB hoist and a standard M3Cb hoist will lift at exactly the same speed. However, when unloaded, the high-speed CB hoist operates 7 times faster than a standard unit in the up or down direction. This will save you valuable time during any type of application setup or hook repositioning. The high-speed CB hoist's revolutionary technology is its quick clutch mechanism, which detects torque as the operator pulls on the hand chain. In an unloaded or lightly loaded state, a magnetic clutch is activated, allowing the hoist to be operated in high-speed mode. Once a load heavier than approximately 10% of rated capacity is applied, the magnetic clutch releases and a standard clutch engages. The hoist will now operate in standard speed mode. Rest assured that this hoist is designed for safety. The quick clutch mechanism is external to the gearbox and separate from the mechanical brake, ensuring independence from your hoist's most important safety features. Let's consider a typical application for a 10-ton manual hoist. Both operators have to pull almost 400 meters of hand chain to move the hook 1 meter, taking almost 18 minutes to complete one lift. In this illustration, the blue operator is able to reposition the unloaded hook in just 1 minute by activating the high-speed gear in the quick clutch-equipped hoist, a procedure that takes the red operator over 7 minutes to do using a standard hoist. To complete one full lift cycle, it takes the blue operator 19 minutes, whereas the red operator requires 25 minutes. When multiple lifts are involved, the time savings add up quickly. It took the red operator 75 minutes to complete 3 cycles, yet it took the blue operator only 57 minutes to finish the same job. This example shows how using a high-speed CB hoist can translate into a significant 24% reduction in man-hours and related costs.